Children, very good morning everybody. So in the last class we saw about the body features of the birds, right? We started with the new chapter birds and we had a small introduction about the different kinds of birds, and also we saw about the body features of the birds. What all things we saw, children? Eye, ears, nose, beak, then body, wings, feathers, tail, toes and claws. So these were the body features of the birds. See, they may be of different sizes, shapes and colors, but these were the body features of the birds. Now today's topic, we are going, as I told you in the last class, children, there are three types of feathers, right? So our today's topic in this recorded video is we are going to see about the three types of feathers. Okay. So we are going to see about the types of feathers. Okay. As we all know, the wings and feathers helps the birds to fly. So there were three different types of feathers, I told, right? So what were the three different types of feathers? One is body feathers. One is down feathers. Next one is next one is flight feathers. Okay. So in today's topic, we are going to see about the types of feathers. There are three different types of feathers. One is body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. I'll repeat again, children. Three types of feathers are there on birds. One is body feathers, second one is down feathers and third one is flight feathers. Now let us see about these things in detail. Children, before that, let me show you in the textbook. See the image of a bird. The wings and the feathers are open when it is flying. This picture is being captured when the bird is flying. See here, the parts, the three types of feathers are being marked here. This is body feathers, down feathers, flight feathers. See, they have mentioned, they have labeled the parts. Body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. You can go through this picture in page number 22 in your textbook. Now let me tell you. First one is body feathers. Body feathers are colored feathers which cover the whole body of a bird. Why it is being called as body feather is these body feathers are also called as colored. These body feathers are also called as colored feathers, and this feathers covers the entire body of the bird. That is why it is being called body feathers. Children, I'll repeat again. Body feathers are nothing but the feathers which are the colored feathers which are being covered throughout the entire body of the bird. That is why it is being called body feathers. Next is your, and these body feathers, they give shape to the bird's body. That is why it is being called body feathers. These body feathers are the colored feathers which is covered in the entire body of the bird, and also this body feathers give shapes to the bird's body. That is why it is called body feathers. Next one is down feathers. Let us see what is down feathers. Down feathers are short, soft and fluffy feathers found close to the body of a bird. They help in keeping the bird's body warm. The bodies of most of the birds are covered with down feathers when they are born. See children, these down feathers, they are very short. They are not very, it is not lengthy. These down feathers are very soft and they are very soft and fluffy. Fluffy means like what is that? That softness. Okay, that softness. Fluffy means it will be like a sponge. Fluffy feathers that is found very close to the found very close to the body of the bird. And what these down feathers do is they keep the bird's body warm. Okay, because see children, no living being can bear very coldness or very hotness. So to keep the bird's body warm, these down feathers help the birds to keep their body warm. The bodies of most of the birds are covered with down feathers. So see, when the young birds, when they come out of the eggs, see they will be very small. The young birds, the cute young birds, no, when they come out of the eggs, most of the birds will be covered with this short fluffy down feathers only. Okay, when they are born, when these new ones come out of the eggs, no, when they are born, this down feathers, whole body will be covered with this soft fluffy down feathers. Third one is flight feathers. Flight feathers help a bird to fly and change the direction when they are flying. See children, birds, no, they fly high in the sky. They fly high in the sky. When they go straight, they also need to move the direction while they are flying, right? So this flight feathers help the birds to fly and also to change the direction when they are flying in the sky. They are found on the wings and on the tail. These flight feathers, where they are found, as we know, down feather is very soft and fluffy feather which is found in the entire body. When the young ones are born, when the young birds are born, no, almost their body will be covered with down feathers. Whereas flight feathers, these flight feathers help them to fly high and also to change the direction when they are flying, and they are found on the wings and on the tail of the bird. So these are the three types of feathers: body feather, down feathers and flight feathers. Three types of feathers found in the birds. And what about the aquatic birds, children? Aquatic birds are nothing but the birds which swim in the water, which live in the water, right? So feathers of the aquatic birds help them to swim. So what we can tell, which bird we can tell as aquatic bird? We can tell swan, we can tell ducks. So these are the aquatic birds, and they also have the wings, okay, which makes them to swim in the water. Feathers of some aquatic birds like ducks and penguins are waterproof, which prevent them from getting wet. See how nice they are. Even the wings of these water or aquatic birds are waterproof. How we have in watches, no? When water falls on them, it will not get wet. The same way, the aquatic birds like ducks and penguins, they have their feathers which helps them to swim, but they are waterproof, which will not make them wet. The colorful feathers of different birds give them a distinct look and also help them to hide from their enemies. Okay children, so when we go to any sanctuaries or any bird sanctuaries or anywhere, once we see the birds, which gives the attractive look of the bird? The beautiful colors, right? The feathers, the body, the shape of the bird, the sound of the bird, and especially the colors, the beautiful colors gives a very distinct and a very attractive look of the birds. Okay, so with this I'll stop the recorded video of today's session. So types of feathers we have seen: body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. And one more fact first I'll tell you: birds, they don't have teeth, children. They only have tongue. They do not have teeth. Okay, so meet you in the next topic in the next class. Thank you children.